Play, bhai.
No.
Why are you crying? It's just a game. Come on. Putti. Hey, Putti. It's okay, Junior. Hmm? What happened? You're angry, you're upset, you're what?
Angry.
You're angry. Angry on what? Angry on who? Mommy, you're angry on? Huh? You're angry on mommy? Putti. So you're angry on yourself? Hmm? You're angry on the fact that you got trapped in this
Angry
game?
at myself.
You're angry on yourself? Why? It's just a game.
I'm not going to tell you why.
But it's just a game, Junior. It's a small, tiny, bitty game. Come play. Your turn. You're not gonna play? But it's your turn. So you give up?
No.
So if you don't give up and if you don't want to play, that's not the right move. Junior, come play. Play now?
I did.
Yeah, but you never took the thing. Okay.
I knew that would happen.
Junior? Junior? You're crying for a game? Huh? Come on, Junior. It's just a game. Okay, mommy, sorry. Just. Hey, Putti. You're crying? Seriously? We are at Jamaica Pegasus cafeteria now. Junior was very upset because he lose the game and he don't like to lose game and he don't like to give up. So we are in cafeteria just to cheer him up. I order the sandwiches, the panini sandwich for them and cookies for them.
And then after that, the one with the hat said not to mess with the not to mess with his. It was a gun. Other, you just hold a pen and it was playing with a pen. Wait, let me pause video. It's wrong, right? So what if it's a secret between me and Dan? Do I still have to tell you? Yes. Not to you. We are snitch. A big snitch. The biggest snitch in the world. I told you and mommy about something. But between me and Dad's secret, that he had a secret camera. Oh yeah. But my secret is about we are going in a dash. No, we are going in a dash. So we are going in a dash to dash. But all four of us are going.